Hello, today we are working on exponential functions in word problems, and we have 3 of them today. So lunch at your favorite fast food stand costs $6.50. The price has steadily increased 4% per year for many years. Write a function to determine what lunch will cost in 10 years. Anytime you see a percent, you should be thinking a b to the x. That's the format for exponential. A is my start, and b is my multiplier. So if we go back to the word problem, my starting amount was $6.50. My multiplier is this 4% that's being increased. So that means that I want to keep all of its current value and add 4% more. So to keep all of its current value, that's 100% of it. And then plus 4% more, so we're at 104%. We have to turn that into its decimal equivalent, and that is 1.04. So I'm going to have 650 times 1.04, and now here's my input, and y is my output. So we need to write a function to determine what the lunch will cost in 10 years. 10 years is going to be my input. Get your calculator, type all of that in, and you would end up with $9.62. All right, here's another one. A DVD this time loses 60% of its value every year it is in the store. The DVD costs $80 new. Maybe it's like one of those packages, like for a trilogy or whatever for a movie or something like that. Write a function to find its worth after 4 years. So again, I have percents going on, so I'm going to do y equals ab to the x. A is my start amount, and that is 80. This time I am losing value. So losing 60% means that I'm keeping 40. So this is the number we're going to use because I want to know what its worth is after. So its worth is only 40% if it lost 60%. So 40%, turning that into a decimal is 0.40, backwards 2. So 0.40. And again, 4 here is our input. Type that into your calculator and you will get $2.05. So getting very cheap. Probably ending up in one of those Walmart bins in the center of the aisle where you can dig through the movies. All right, last one. Tickets for a big concert first went on sale 3 weeks ago for $60. This week, people are charging $100. We're supposed to write an equation that represents the cost of the tickets for each week from the time they went on sale. So again, we're looking at y equals ab to the x. And I have, let's see here, they went on sale 3 weeks ago for $60. So 60 is my starting amount. This time we're not given the percent, so we have to find it. So I'm going to get some ordered pairs out of here to plug in here. So 60 is my starting amount. That was 3 weeks ago. So that means 3 weeks later, it's 100. Tickets are going up as we get closer to the event. So here we are plugging everything in. 60 equals ab to the 0, and 100 equals ab to the third. Anything to the 0 power is 1, so 60 equals a. And it's going over here. 100 equals 60b to the third. So if you divide, so we need to find b. So we're going to divide by 60. Divide by 60. And then take the cube root of that. And we're going to actually type that all in our calculator at once. So cube root of this. So to do that, I'm going to go math. And then option number 4 already has the 3 in front. Put that more underneath the light here so you can see. And 100 divided by 60. So it is 1.1. If you wanted to go 1.19, you could. I'm just going to go 3 places. You should always do whatever the directions are telling you. These are not telling us anywhere to round, so we'll just go to there. So my equation to find out what the ticket will cost as we get closer to the event is y equals 60 times 1.186 to the x. That's it for exponential functions and word problems.